Hello everyone. In this video, we will practice how to create a program using library. The step one is to include the library in our sketch. We go to sketch, include library and click on the library which we want. In this case, we wanted Curio Fire Motor library. Then we will need to create an instance. For that, we use the main method, and we know the library name is same as our main method. So we will copy this and paste it here, give a space and give a name to the instance. Let's say V, and end of line of code is semicolon. Now let's write the program. The program we want to write is, we want to take the vehicle from point A to point B and bring it back to point A without turning. That means using the reverse command. So the commands which we need to use are first forward, and forward command, as we know, has two input parameters, left speed and right speed, separated by a comma. End of line of command is semicolon. We also know to link this command back to our instance of the library, we need to precede the command name with the instance name and dot. So the command becomes v dot forward in bracket 255 comma 55. Now vehicle takes 2 seconds to reach point B. So we need to perform no action during these 2 seconds. So the command for that is an Arduino command delay. You can see the color of the command changes. Since it is an Arduino command, it is displayed in a red color. The argument to the delay command is the milliseconds you want to delay the next command. And we want 2 seconds, that means 2000 milliseconds. Semicolon at the end. Now we have reached point B, we will stop there. For that, the command was where stop without any arguments, and at the end again semicolon. So we have reached from point A to point B. Now we want to start from point B to point A without turning. So we don't want to turn, that means we have to travel in reverse. If you go and look at the commands in the library's header file, the command is reverse, and it also needs two input parameters, left speed and right speed. And at the end it is semicolon. At the speed 255 and 255, it takes 2 seconds to reach from point A to point B. It will take the same amount of time to reach from point B to point A. So we need to wait for 2 seconds. Ends with semicolon. So we have reached point A and now we need to stop. End of the line of code is always semicolon. So if you see here, with this command we started moving forward. We did wait for 2 seconds, which means for these 2 seconds the vehicle kept on moving forward. No other action was taken during this time. Then after 2 seconds we stopped the vehicle. So we reached point B. Once we reach point B, we will again start, but this time in a reverse fashion because we don't want to turn. And that is what this command does. We have to wait for 2 seconds. We have to continue coming reverse for 2 seconds, and hence we give a delay of 2 seconds, during which time no action happens. Whatever was earlier action continues to be executed. And last, after 2 seconds, we will stop the vehicle. We'll save this program and we'll compile it. While save, we'll give a name. The program is saved and we will compile the program, verify. Okay, so now we see there are errors. What is the error? Error is that this command is a library command, which means we need to link it to the library using the instance name and dot. So we need v dot. Similarly, even this command, we need to link v dot, and even this command. Because it was not linked, it said vehicle stop or way stop was not declared in the scope. Because it is not declared, it did not know that this command belongs to this declared library. We don't need to precede delay command with v dot because delay is a already no command. Now let's compile it once again. Now while we compile, it is going to automatically save the program. So we don't need to save it once again. And we can see that it is successfully compiled. Done compiling is the message here. So that's how we have made our second program where the vehicle goes from point A to point B without turning, returns back to point A and stops.